Congrats on the purchase of your scooter storage trunk by the Scooter Accessories. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of both size trunks. First, starting with the standard storage trunk, we will open the top to remove the keys. Flip the trunk over and we will install the trunk post. First, remove the bolt and wing nut. Slide the trunk post into the trunk until both holes line up. Insert your bolt and wing nut and tighten down with a 17mm wrench. Next, insert and tighten the supplied tightening knob. Insert the trunk into your seat's accessory port and you are good to go. Next, we will assemble the large scooter storage trunk. Open the trunk and remove the main trunk bracket. With the trunk flipped over, install the main bracket by lining up one side with the two peg posts, and the other end lining up with the clip lock that locks into the red push button. Once lined up, push down and towards the front of the trunk. Push the red button in while pushing down on the bracket to lock it into place. Next, we will install the trunk post. Remove the bolt and wing nut to install your post. Insert the trunk post until both holes line up. Reinstall the bolt and wing nut and tighten down with a 17mm wrench. Install and tighten down the supplied tightening knob. Insert the storage trunk into your scooter and you are all set to carry and protect your belongings. If you have any other questions regarding the assembly of your scooter storage trunks, please call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.